It's, now this is really
motor
interesting.
actually looks like a little Harley pea shooter motor when you look from the other side.
Yeah, it does.
Like a single pea shooter.
Boy, that's amazing. This, you have any idea what year it is?
About a 50.
About a 1950 Powell. Don't let the Harley Davidson, it's hardly a Harley.
Not hardly.
Yeah. Now, see, like I'm looking at this cap here.
Oil and frame.
Yeah, there is oil in the frame. Okay.
Yeah.
That's your vent. There's the oil. What a brilliant idea. Save
Goes
some
over
money.
60 mile an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you have it up that high?
Is it what?
Did you get it? Did you run it that?
No, because I only had it about a week and I didn't change those tubes yet.
Yeah.
Both the valve stems are pulled out, so I know it needs
Oh.
tubes. Most like it.
It is complete.
Yeah, the headlight's missing, and it looked like some of them came with a luggage rack on the back.
Could be, yeah. But you have the tail light, you have the crash bars. Geez, you have a lot of the original rubber. And of course the keys. That is sweet. What a find. Saying you got it running.
I got it running and everything. They had it messed up and it wasn't firing.
Yeah.
But it still needs tubes in it. I got the tubes here.
Okay.
But, you know, it was some company that used to make radio tubes, and then they made radios.
Yeah.
And then they went to making scooters.
Yeah.
That's what they did.
And then worked their way up to the Powell's pickup truck and station wagon.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
And you know, it's done with it's got a flathead Ford or a flathead Mercury motor. That's a 10 horsepower, so that's got the Mercury piston in it.
Huh.
That's how you determine the two.
Ah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
That is wild. Made in, presume made in the United States.
Made in California.
Okay, that is neat. How
It's
much
a
you
cool
asking on it?
$3,500.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
1950s Powell. Pretty cool. Go find another one.